From the Contracts page, click Template Drawers on the left sidebar. Here, you can see a list of all template drawers that can be applied across all your contracts. When you start using DocExpress, there will be a default list, which you can configure if needed. To edit an existing drawer, simply click the drawer name. In this example, we can click the Change Orders drawer. Here, I can edit drawer name, folder types, and make any changes to the drawer workflow. In an upcoming video, we'll focus more on the setup of drawer workflows. You can have as many template drawers as you need. To create a new drawer within your template list, you can click the New Drawer button on the Template Drawers page. As an example, we can create a submittals drawer and establish folder types such as contractor submittal, payroll, and subcontract. Here, I could also edit the submittals workflow if needed, and save. You can now see that my submittals drawer appears in my template list and can be applied to any future contracts.